right? Hindi ka pwedeng, okay, kasi paminsan pag nababangga ka or physical ka, gusto mo, mas malakas ako sa'yo. And the referees see that and will always be looking out for that.
The game jack making loud noise dun sa unang basket ng Northport. Rain or shine. Santillan open from the corner. That's a 3 for Santi. At ito ang second unit ni coaching from last game. Upgraded to the starting lineup in this game. Mukhang maganda ang simula. Huli na naman si Malonzo. But this time, he finishes with a dipsy-do.
Like, parang hindi siya natitinag, di ba? Sige lang, bawi lang. Keep on playing.
Looks like they gave that to Thompson on the tip.
Tip din. Yung kanilang 3-point field goals made.
Speaking of three-pointers, assist yun ang ambag ng kanya.
Talk about flow once again, right? The rhythm, pace.
Give the 7 games that they've won na nakita natin yung performance nila. Norwood will miss. Kanya pa rin yung rebound. Gabe, nagawa ng paraan.
That's a highlight right there for Norwood. 4 points in the game.
Nag-sorry kay Thompson dahil assist sana yun, sabi ni Gabe. Rebound ko na lang. Nonetheless, rain or shine still gets 2 points and they still. Miranda pushing it. Babangga kay Asisio and the floater is good. And Flores seems hurt. Clarito taking advantage. Tapik ni Jack Norwood unable to save it. Flores is still. Here's Kadim trying to wake up the bottom here.
They need to wake up. They need to be able to defensively make some stops. And like we said, they seem like they're a step slow.
Oh, rain or shine on the run again. Thompson!
Coming off a timeout, that's not what you want.
At alam mo, sayang because ang ganda na ng simula ng Northport to the third quarter. They were able to Thompson. Clarito from the corner. Back-to-back hits for Clarito. And the lead of Rain or Shine reaches a new high of 20 points. Dahil sa 5 straight points last conference last season. Navarro. Whoa! Umangat! At sinalpak ni Navarro over Thompson.
Look at rain or shine. Triple jump.
Oh! Oh! And this has been the story, Dom. Kung may magagawa ang Northport on their side, pagbalik sa kabila, sasagot ang Rain or Shine.
At may sagot din sila. Ikot ng tao is unsuccessful.
Belga na isahan si Onubere, finishing through the foul.
Bo Belga, remember we showed him at the beginning of the ball game. He was part of our pregame.
The Rain or Shine down to 14. A steal for Flores. He skies high! Put him on a poster!
Wow! Talk about things that will make you
That kind of defense. Here's Thompson. Oh, my goodness.
Nakita mo yung turok ni Thompson dito kay Katinjak. Yung Katinjak is no pushover.
And hindi siya, Dom, yung, alam mo yung panggang
5 guys in double digits.
Munson! Dire-diretso. Alam mo, doon nakakahanap ng success etong Northport when they're really pushing that basketball.
Remember, they're the #1 fast break team, averaging 21.
Tres ang habol ni Datu. He will miss. Docomo the offensive rebound and he puts it back in. What a series of events dito sa Phil Sports Arena.
Offensive rebound.
Laro mo to, tuloy sa kampeonato. Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado.